everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I'm Val, and this is my jewelry tutorial, sometimes jewelry haul channel. And I love to meet new subscribers, and I'm thankful for all the ones I've got. So if anyone that's watching right now is brand new to my channel, welcome. And for everybody that's been a long time subscriber or a new subscriber, thank you so much. And I'm glad you're here, and keep on watching. Today's tutorial is going to be a necklace and earrings, like a set with these pretty crystal beads. So I think I got these at Michael's, and I thought they were so cute. They're little cubes, kind of iridescent. So I'm going to use this type of ear wire to make earrings with those, and then I'm going to use a stainless steel chain, and I'm going to make a pendant with the third bead. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take a head pin. I'm using the kind that has a loop at the bottom, and let's see, I think I might want to use another bead there at the bottom, a little pretty silver bead. I think I'd like to add something. That looked a little plain. So let's see if we can jazz that up a little bit. I do like the minimal look of that. I kind of feel like it needs another touch though. Like maybe a little starter bead at the bottom. So I've got this one, and I've got the cubed bead, and I think I'm gonna let that be it. Nice minimal look. That seems to be what I'm into lately. Okay, I've got my one-step looper, and I'm going to make my loop here. Okay, and then in a few I'll add the ear wire with this, but I'm going to make sure my loop is good and tight. I'm going to make my other one, and then we'll add the ear wire. So there's one, and I'm going to grab my little silver beads here. I'm going to put one at the bottom again. My cubed bead, I'm going to put one on top. This is basically the earring. I just have to add my ear wire there, and I think I'll use my one-step looper again. Make sure my loop is good, and okay, so this is what I have so far, and I need to make one more of these for my pendant. Okay, so let's do this one last time for a pendant. Okay, so I've got my 3 cubes, and with 2 of them I have to use jump rings and an ear wire. those ear wires online. I thought they were different. I always use the fish hook ones, so I thought this is a different look. Cute. So those are the earrings and what they look like. Hope you can see those well. And let's see, I need a jump ring for my pendant. Okay, so I've got one more jump ring for my pendant. And I'm going to put the chain through the pendant. I'm sorry, the chain through the jump ring. And I've got a nice little set. So, I think that's cute. A little earring and necklace set. Okay everyone, that's the finished product. I hope you loved it, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.